API security is the process of securing publicly available APIs from hackers, attackers, and malware. We are all aware that APIs are a frequent target for attackers due to their widespread use and access to important program functionality and data. Business interfaces often expose sensitive data. A security breach would mean the disclosure of sensitive consumer, commercial, and even personal data. So securing APIs is crucial for digitalized businesses. But how does API security work? Client authentication and authorization can help protect APIs from abuse. Authentication ensures that the client application has a secure identity and is authorized to use the API. Authorization involves defining what data and activities a registered application can access while interacting with the API. API security is an essential aspect of online application security in today's world. Secured APIs are critical for keeping your company's data safe. With API Layer, you can now choose fully secured APIs from a wide range of options. Visit our website today.